What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. Today is a huge one. So a couple weeks ago, if you follow Anthem or anything like that on Instagram or social media, Anthem Off-Road Wheels, they put out a post saying that they are going to be taking ambassadors for 2019. They're making an ambassador team for Anthem Wheels. My socials aren't that big, you know. I only have a few hundred on YouTube and Instagram, but I was like, you know, why not? I'll give it a shot. So I put it in a couple weeks ago, and I just heard back, and I got accepted into the Anthem ambassador team. And luckily, being where I'm at in Iowa, right on the Mississippi, I'm only 2 hours away from Anthem's warehouse. So my wife, my daughter, and I are all loading up the truck right now. My wheels and tires are put together, and we're driving to Anthem to have them put on today. Gonna meet some of the team. Very, very excited. So let's get after it. It's not wasting more time.
Hi. I could feel something on me.
Alright, so as you saw by the GoPro footage, we left a few hours early just because we wanted to check out the Chicago Premium Outlets in Aurora. We don't get out much, so figured we'd grab some lunch and walk this mall. I don't know if it's all outdoors or not.
It doesn't look like it.
Yeah, but it's like I don't know what it is. It's outlet stores, regular stores, just a whole bunch of stuff. So we're gonna kill some time. It's currently 12:12. My appointment's at 3. And we are about 8 miles away from Anthem. It's just west. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. We have arrived. So fun fact, if you don't know, Anthem, SD Wheel, and Mr. Wheel Deal are all in the same warehouse. I learned that yesterday. Let's go do this! Cheese. Okay, so a little update is I put my order in. I ordered the Fury RT tires, and somewhere along the way it got put into their system that I ordered the MT Furies. So I got here and the MTs were mounted on my wheels, and I don't want the MTs specifically for road noise, and I do a lot of highway driving and stuff like that. So we have to wait an extra hour to hour and a half for them to pull the RTs from the warehouse, dismount my wheels from the MTs, swap them over with the new tire pressure sensors and all that fun stuff. So now we are reading Dub magazine upside down and watching Moana.
And not going to TJ Maxx.
And not going to TJ. She's got a shop problem. Harper, you're not leaving. Stop by. Alright, what's up guys? So it's actually 2 days after I got my wheels and tires put on, because yesterday from literally like 5 a.m. until, well, actually it's still raining now, but it's not as hard. But yesterday it was pouring, we got thunderstorms, and it was like 30-mile-an-hour winds, so I couldn't come out here and get the video. Like I said, it's still raining today, but I want to get a close on this video so I can get it up for you guys. So, the moment everyone's been waiting for, the reveal is now. So this is the setup. So I went with the Fury Country Hunter RTs in a 33 by 12.5, obviously 20s, and then these are a 20 by 10 -24 Anthem Enforcers. So one thing that I actually really liked about them that I didn't know just from looking at the pictures was that the milling actually came in front. I just thought it was on the sides here from the pictures, but I actually really enjoy it. It really ties in, because at first I was debating on color matching my door handles, but now I feel as if the chrome on the door handles, the chrome in here in the turn signal, and then all of the milling really ties in nicely. And then especially with, I kept the chrome on my grill. Let's see if I can get a... So I think honestly I might actually keep the door handles and everything. It pulls it in really well. Another reason I really like these is with these like 2 sections of spokes here, the lip, the dish, whatever you want to call it, actually comes out. It has like a 3D effect to it, which I think is kind of unique, because normally obviously lips are just flat and smooth. And then another reason I went with Anthem is I went with Anthem because I was accepted to the Ambassador, but I even applied and went forward moving with Ambassador, with the Anthem Ambassador, because you don't see a lot of literally I don't know anybody in my area that runs Anthem. You can't just go to a tire shop and pick these up. They're not as popular or purchased as often as like Fuel, Moto Metals, Hostels, all that stuff. So it's a little more unique factor. I've had a few people even approach me already and ask what is Anthem since I put them on. And then, like I said, mentioned -24. So we're just getting just a little poke, which is perfect for me. Just a little offset is all I honestly wanted. So it didn't go quite as planned. I wanted to, like I had mentioned in the previous clip, they put the Fury Country MTs on, and I wanted the RTs, so they had to do a complete swap, and I didn't get out of there. I should have gotten out of there when it was still light out, but I didn't, so I didn't get to do any like cool GoPro footage or rolling shots of them or anything. So the video, this vlog, isn't as exciting as I wanted it to be, but it's still very exciting that I finally got wheels and tires. But yeah, so because of the whole mishap, they let me pick out a hat. These are actually just released. People are just now being able to buy these. And then I wore the shirt yesterday, but they gave me a shirt as well. So that was nice of them. And then they also they dropped the installation charge for the inconvenience. But yeah, guys, this is the new setup for the truck. So next that will be coming is new headlights. So I will be going black with a little bit of white. They're mostly going to be black, but I want to tie a little bit of white in there. You'll see where. Going to go with the RGB halos, of course. Possibly high beam fog lights, pods. I'm not sure. We'll have to wait and see. But that'll be a whole series as well of me taking them apart, painting them, installing all the wiring and whatnot. But yeah, guys, if you liked the video and you like where the truck's at now, give it a thumbs up. Comment what you think I should also do to the truck, what you would like to see. And if it's a good idea, it may possibly get done. So yeah, subscribe, thumbs up. Thanks for stopping. And until next time, peace.